Oh my goodness. The door is dragging really bad on that frame. So do you have a door dragging on the frame? Let me show you how to fix that. So what's going on here is the door is not matching up with the door frame. There's not a big enough gap here and it drags on it. So I'm going to take an ordinary adjustable wrench and I'm going to bend the hinges to bring that door back over and center in that door casing so it won't drag anymore. So this is what we do. We just make this to the size we need it, and we'll come over to the hinge over here. I'm going on the wrong piece. Go up here like this, and maybe I did. Maybe this hinge has bent all it could be bent. The adjustable wrench didn't work. It appears that the hinge has been bent before. It is a really old house. It was built in 1958. So go figure. So when all else fails, get the big slip joint pliers. It's still dragging a little bit. We want to bend the part of the hinge that's on the facing of the door, which is on this. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these two toward the next to the end on each end is the one on that hinge, and these 3 is on this part of the hinge on the door. Still a little bit of drag, just a tiny bit. So I'm going to adjust some more and then we'll go from there. When I pull down on the door, it'll drag, but normal opening, it does not. It is just touching. Right down the very edge. The adjustable wrench don't work, and your big slip joint wrench pliers don't work. And I got a big piece of brass and a 2-pound sledgehammer. It's got to do something. Look at there. When I pull down on the door, it touches a little bit. So I'm gonna hit it one more time. Put some paint back over there. Still, when I pull down on the doorknob, just a little bit. So hit it one more time. All right, it's working good now. Look at that. Nothing dragging at all. Boy, it ain't never worked that good before. Well, I hope you liked my video about bending hinges. This one here was a little problem child. I never had one this tough to do, but they all can be bent. Even if you had to take the hinge all the way off, clamp it in a vise, and hit it with a hammer. Just knock the fool out of it to get it to bend over and close up, bring the door closer to the other side of the door facing to, even the space up in there so it won't drag. So if you like my video, please subscribe, share, and hit that bell for more notifications.